Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you like easy, helpful videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple and useful. Let's get started.
You're looking for the gear icon in Outlook, which is universally recognized as the symbol for settings and options. This crucial icon typically looks like a classic cogwheel. Picture a small, round metal wheel with distinct teeth cut into its outer edge. It's the kind of mechanical component you'd expect to see inside machinery, like a watch or an engine. In Outlook, its design is usually simple and clean, often rendered in a subtle silver, gray, or white color. This design choice helps it stand out just enough against the background without being overly distracting. You will consistently find this important gear icon in the top right corner of your Outlook window. It's usually positioned close to other utility icons, such as your profile picture or the $help icon. When you click on this gear, it immediately opens a menu or a side panel. This panel provides quick access to a wide range of customization features. You can change your Outlook theme, adjust the display density of your inbox, manage quick settings, and access more in-depth mail options. The gear icon serves as your gateway to personalizing your entire Outlook experience. Whether you are accessing Outlook through a web browser on your computer or using the dedicated desktop application, the fundamental appearance and top right placement of the gear icon remain largely consistent. While its exact shade might vary slightly if you've enabled a dark mode or selected a specific visual theme, its core cogwheel shape is always unmistakable. It is your primary tool for tailoring Outlook to fit your preferences perfectly.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.